Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the American Standard Biel Measure Fill Touch Kitchen Faucet, model 4,931,360.075. This faucet has gained a lot of buzz for its unique features and sleek design. But is it the right fit for your kitchen? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what makes this faucet stand out. American Standard is known for high quality and innovative products, and this faucet is no exception. With the Biel Measure Fill, we get a combination of elegance, functionality, and high-tech features that make everyday kitchen tasks easier and more precise. Sleek, contemporary tube-style design features a comfortable rounded handle shape and coin-edge knurling on the faucet dial for extra grip. Blue LED light illuminates when the faucet is in use. Measure Fill technology delivers a precise set volume of water on demand up to 5 cups 40 ounces. Turn the dial to your desired volume of water, then touch to turn on the water flow. Touch functionality. Faucet can be turned on and off with a simple touch on the faucet dial window. Automatic safety shut off after 5 minutes when faucet was turned on via touch functionality. Manual faucet operation. Lever handle allows for manual faucet operation. Dual function pull-down spray head allows for easy switching between regular stream and powerful spray. Retract spray head retraction system. Spray hose technology system to ensure smooth pull-out, operation, and retraction of spray head. Ceramic disc valve cartridge, precise temperature and flow control with a lifetime of drip-free, maintenance-free performance. Now, let's talk about the design. The Biel Measure Fill has a sleek, modern look with a brushed stainless steel finish that fits perfectly with any contemporary kitchen setup. Not only does it look fantastic, but the build quality is excellent. The stainless steel finish resists fingerprints and water spots, so it stays looking clean and polished. Installation. In terms of installation, this faucet is fairly straightforward. It comes with clear instructions, and if you're moderately handy, you should be able to install it yourself. It also features a pull-down spray head with 2 spray options, a powerful spray for clean. Pros and cons. Sleek, modern design. High-quality build. Powerful and versatile sprayer. Easy installation. Cons. 1. Can be a bit pricey. 2. Might be too large for smaller. So, is the American Standard Biel Measure Fill Touch Kitchen Faucet worth it? If you're looking for a faucet with unique, high-tech features that add convenience and style to your kitchen, this one is a solid choice. It combines functionality with sleek aesthetics, and while it's a bit of an investment, the time it saves could make it worth every penny. Thanks for watching our review of the American Standard Biel Measure Fill Touch Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this one. Let us know in the comments if you'd consider adding this faucet to your kitchen.